Okay, so I want to give a few tips, one of my favorite tips on sewing knits, and that is to do what's called a memory hem before you assemble your garment. So this is the bodice, and I already did a little memory hem here on the front and back, and then on the sleeve, before I attach the sleeve, I'm going to press the hem allowance up so that I don't have to fight with trying to press this in a circle and get it all distorted and stretched. And actually, I want this a little bit more narrow. This is a really fun pressing tool. It is a heat resistant ruler, so I can press right on it. All right. So you're just going to go ahead and do a little memory hem and just leave it. And then when you go to sew your sleeve, you will sew, I will show you. All right, so I've sewn up the body of this, and now we can see, because I did the memory hem, you can still see a little bit here so that I can just fold it back and pin it or clip it however you need to. I don't have to worry about getting out a sleeve board and trying to press the hem in a circle. It's already there, pre-pressed for me. And it just makes, especially with knits, it a lot easier so you don't overstretch your hems. And I did the same thing on the bottom. So it's already here and ready to go. So that's my tip, is to do a little memory hem when you're sewing knits. Yeah, give it a try and let me know your thoughts.